Okay, the bodyweight archer squat, we're gonna come a little bit past shoulder width distance. You're gonna slightly externally rotate. You're gonna initiate by driving the hips back and then back to start position. So feet are stationary. We're gonna lock out the opposite leg. Keep the heel planted. And just like other moves, don't worry about going super low initially. Even if you're just like, that's totally cool. That's how you work into that range of motion, right? But the key is gonna be shooting the hips back, almost like you're hinging down. A lot of people maintain upright, they just drive the knee way too far forward. They lose all their power and it hurts the knee. Not that you can't do that, we wanna strengthen the glutes and do it safely. So eventually we'll come all the way down, but just work your way into that position. So you're gonna go down to the side, back to the start, exhale. It's helpful to counterbalance. Eventually we'll be holding some weight. So just maintain a good upper body position. Gently get further and further down.